If you've got kids at home this summer, you know this problem. They get bored so fast. And when they're bored, they take over your kitchen. They take over your table, your entire house. Now I love my kids. And a few years ago, we decided to fix that problem. So we took this basement room, we turned it into a dedicated craft space for our 3 daughters, a place where they could draw, paint, build, create, and honestly, it worked even better than we had expected. So this is what the room looked like before. Just kind of a catch-all space with crafts spilling out of the basement into our kitchen, into our dining room. We needed a better system. Our goal was simple: create 3 dedicated workstations, keep everything organized, and make it look fun enough that they actually want to use it every day. Okay, so we kept this super simple. IKEA Alex drawer units, 4 of them. 1 long plywood desktop across the wall, custom paint to match the IKEA units, trimmed out for a finished look. And we basically just built 1 long desk and divided it into 3 unique spaces. All right, quick specs for anyone who wants our exact details. Our total desk length is 11.5 feet. The height of the desk is 28 inches. Each of those little cabinets is 14 inches wide, which makes the space between where the chair goes about 27 inches, and the total workspace for each kid about 43 inches. So the desktop itself is just a single piece of 4x8 plywood, ripped right in half, so it's 24 inches deep. Let me tell you how to build it. With the drawers empty, I just set the plywood right on top of the cabinets, and then underneath, from inside those IKEA Alex units, I just secured it from underneath. I ran screws up from inside the cabinets so there are no screw holes on the top of the desk. Then I just added a 3/4 inch trim wood piece to the front with wood glue, and a small trim piece in the back to separate that wallpaper, and just to make everything look clean and finished. I got a paint match from Home Depot, and I got one of these drawer units and actually brought it to Home Depot, got that paint match. For this bottom section, I just painted the whole thing that same green color. Okay, and here's my cost breakdown. The IKEA Alex drawers, a set of 4, was about $356. For the chairs, we bought a set of 4 and it was $240. The plywood desktop and the trim was about $89. The wallpaper from Amazon was $198, and everything else, trim and other things, $50. So total in about $900 to $1,000. And this is why I love these IKEA hacks. You don't have to be a master builder to pull something like this off. You're really just assembling cabinets, adding a wood topper, finishing it off cleanly, and even if you're just even a little bit handy, you can absolutely do this. The magic really came when we put this wallpaper up. So this peel and stick wall mural went up in about 30 minutes and completely transformed the space. The vibrant colors, the theme of ice cream is super fun, and to be honest, when kids come over, they really want to play down here. We added a few fun and functional touches like these brass rails along the wall for hanging cups that hold markers and pencils and paintbrushes, so each kid has access to their supplies super easy. And the drawers, yeah, well, they're packed with everything for a craft environment. Beads, craft kits, nail supplies, paper, canvases, thread, boondoggle, anything that you can imagine is shoved into those drawers right there. So this is the finished space. Let me tell you about the real life impact. The biggest win, the kids actually use it. They'll spend hours down here creating, blasting their tunes, and it got all of that stuff out of our kitchen. So every family hits that stage where creativity just needs its own space. And if you don't give it one, well, it takes over your whole house. Guys, this was a pretty simple DIY, but it made a huge difference in how our home actually functions, especially in the summer when our kids are bored. This just might be one of the best things that we've ever done in our house for the kids. So if you're thinking about doing something like this, I'd highly recommend it. My kids love it, their friends love it. I'm Derek, this channel is DIY Derek, and I'll see you in the next project.